your new vision. Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you the unboxing of Realme GT Neo6 SE. I think this would be a best phone in budget. Realme has also incorporated its new Greenfield AI eye protection technology and AI gaming eye protection technology in the GT Neo6 SE. This phone comes with some manuals, SIM inject pin and a phone cover. With the phone cover, the phone would look much more elegant, and also it has a strong hand grip so there is no risk of slipping the phone from your hand. There is also a powerful and useful flashlight at the back of the phone. The Realme GT Neo6 SE packs the new Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 SoC system on chip. It's built on the same fabrication and architecture as the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Coming to the battery segment, our protagonist gets a 5,500 mAh battery that can be fast charged at 100W. The company claims that it can charge 50% battery in just 12 minutes. Moreover, it also has a SuperVOOC S power management chip. Realme says that the battery will maintain its health for a span of 4 years. The Realme GT Neo6 SE has exceptional display specifications. It has a 6.78-inch flexible OLED panel with a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels. The highlight here is the peak brightness of 6000 nits thanks to the integration of the BOE's S1 luminescent material. Do note that the 6000 nits will only be utilized in special cases such as HDR content. For normal usage, the phone will have a maximum brightness of 1600 nits. Moving to other highlights of the display, the GT Neo6 SE has a 120Hz refresh rate, 2500Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate, and 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. For protection, the company has utilized the Corning Gorilla Victus. This is a new capable processor from Qualcomm and has fancy AI features to keep the processor cool under load, which is backed by up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. There is a three-dimensional cooling system, which the company claims has 9 layers of heat dissipation materials and a 10,014mm square double-layer vapor chamber area. Realme has integrated a heat dissipation system. Moreover, the company has further added multiple gaming modes such as GT Mode 5.0, Geek Performance Panel 2.0, and also Burning Mode. These modes have different use cases and are specially designed for mobile gamers. The Realme phone has some other great features too. For example, it has an IR blaster, which is not present in most of the smartphones. Apart from that, there is an X-axis linear motor for haptic feedback, NFC, and dual-frequency GPS. On the software side, the phone gets the latest Realme UI 5.0. The phone also has an AI assistant that can help users with different tasks such as translation and call summaries. One will find a dual camera system at the back. It includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, with f/1.88 aperture, and an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide-angle lens. The device has support for 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. For selfies, there is a 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 camera on the front. Lastly, this phone supports 5G. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel to motivate us so we can make more videos like this.